Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maroon, your coach, and will forever be. So today we'll be learning how to create a menu that you saw at the beginning of this video. So if you're new here, please I would like you to subscribe, like this video, and also tap on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. So, and if you are a lasting subscriber, I just want to say good job with staying with us and for supporting us. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's delete this. So for today's design, we'll be using 2000 by 2000 pixel. That will be our design size for today. So, and before we begin, please I would like to say all materials that are used in this video will be kept in the description box below. In case you want to recreate the design, you just use the materials there. So let's continue. So now we change the color of the background to red, but you can change to any color of your choice. It depends on what company you're creating for or what you want to create. So let's change it to red. So once we change it to red, I want us to tap on the plus icon and tap on shapes. Let's look for this rectangle and enlarge it. I think it's okay around here. I think it's okay. Then we move it because I want the space here to be a little wider. So let's move it. Let's add our position. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. So now we rotate it to 10 degrees. Rotate to 10 degrees. Yeah, so this is okay now. So now there's an image I want to use behind this white background. So we tap the plus icon from gallery. Then we go to my downloads. So download. So let's move. It's way below. So I think I found it. Yeah, this is what I use. So we increase the size. I think this is too big. Just leave it the way it is. So once we upload the daily image, we reduce the opacity to 15. Opacity to 15, and let's not forget to rotate it. So 10. So you see, as you can see, it's not that big, so it won't work. So let's move it this way. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Make sure it's aligned, so one would be bigger than the other. So this is what your image is supposed to look like. Then after, then we also tap on the plus icon again because we need an image of a food or something that is just edible. So for this, I have a food image here. So let's check. This is what I'll be using. So let's center it, and this will be okay. So increase the size, and then send it to the back. Once we send it to the back, I would like you to reduce the opacity to 20. Yeah, add the opacity and make sure it's 20. So we have added the opacity and we're done. So now I would like you to tap on this kite shaped icon and then lock I want you to lock the image and lock the rectangle as well. So we have to pick something from our gallery again. So downloads. As I said earlier, all the materials within this video will be kept inside a drive, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's just leave it the way it was. So this, I don't have a particular size to do it, so I'll just come here, relative size, and then reduce it to maybe 60, so it won't be too big and it won't be too small. So let's rotate. So I think we should lock the, then let's rotate this. Once you have rotated it, I like tap on relative position, then center it and bring it here. So once you have done that, you have to position it. It has to be in the center where the rectangle and the other image pierced each other. So this. Yeah, I think this is okay now. Let's move it up a bit. 1 2 3 4 5, and this is okay. So let's lock it also. The next step is, if you have a logo or something that represents your company or somebody else's company, I would like you to upload it now from your gallery. But for this design, I'll just be using a name. So tap on the plus icon, text, and then write the name of your choice. Maybe EESHA'S collection. EESHA'S kitchen. EESHA'S kitchen. Yeah. So I'll be using this, and the font I'll be using will be Beyond the Mountains. That'll be the name of the font I will be using. So let's go to font, my fonts, Beyond the Mountains. So we have the thick one, we have the thin one. So I think, let's see how the thick one looks like. So I think we'll be using the thin one because it looks too bulky. So Beyond the Mountains, yeah, I'll be using this. So I'd like you to increase the size to 40. So size, and let's increase it to 40. So now let's place it. Let's place it to the right place. So I think somewhere like this, it's okay, since it doesn't obstruct anything. So for the next step, we'll be adding another text, which is chicken and chops. So chicken and chops. So let's put all of this in uppercase. And the font also that I'll be using for this will be Spider Monkey. Spider Monkey. Yeah, here it is. So and also for the fonts, do not worry, I'll put the font in the drive also, or should I say as well. So now we change the color to red because that's the color we use for the other background side. So let's change this color to red. So, and we also increase the size to the size of your choice. So you increase the size, make sure this chops is under, I think, size 50, let's just 60. Yeah, 60 is good for me. So let's move it upward, and this is okay. Yeah, let's move it upward also a bit, and done. So this is okay. And we have to duplicate this also, and then tap and edit it. We have to change it to menu packs, uppercase, and then menu packs. So guys, the size is too much, so let's just leave it at 55. This also, let's change the size to 55. Yeah, so 55. Let's move it upward, and now this is the best time to use your grid because it helps you keep your alignment steady. So now for this tray, it's trying to obstruct the menu packs, so I think we'll have to bring it down a little. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, this is okay now. So the menu packs, let's edit the position. Then to make sure everything is aligned, bring this here. Yeah, I know you're wondering how I did that. First of all, I'd like you to tap on this square grid that has a settings icon on it. Then you tap on the line you want to edit, and then you edit it. So now tap on the chicken, make sure it's aligned with the other line. Then the menu pack also, let's align it. So the menu pack also is aligned. So for the next step now, we're going to be adding small packs. So add text, and then edit, small pack. So uppercase and then out. So we bring it here, change the color. We have to change the color to red and the font to Montserrat Black. Montserrat Black. Let's search for Montserrat. So it should be somewhere here. Montserrat Black. Yeah, I found it. So let's increase the size to, I think, maybe 33. So size has been increased, and then we bring this line here. We bring this line maybe somewhere here. Yeah, so this is okay. So we can bring our packs, edit it, and make sure also the line is there. So I think this is okay. Let's move this chicken upward a little. 1 2 3 4 5, maybe 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. Let's add this one, 6 7 8 9 10. So this is okay. So the small pack, 1 2 3 4 5. This also is okay. So now we have to add another text. Then you put your menu. Your menu may be anything, but for this I'll be using 2 samosas. So guys, typing is gonna take a little while, so when I'm done I'll be right back.